Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I just wanted to pop on with a quick video to show you how you can create product categories within your personal library in your Design Files account. And by creating product categories, it's going to make it easier for you to add items to those specific categories, and that will make it even quicker and easier for you to then drill down to a specific collection and pull those items into your design board whenever you're trying to create a design. So here's how this would work. Now, if you've been using Design Files for a while now, you'll know that if you upload a product to your library by either uploading it manually or using the browser clipper, you're going to get the opportunity to add tags to a product. So in here, you can see at the very bottom, we've got a tag field where you can start adding in tags for this item, and I've tagged mine with chair. If I click into the tag field, it's going to show me a drop-down menu that's going to list all the tags that I've currently added to any of the items within my library. So the nice thing about this is that it'll give you that preset list, so you can just keep pulling from the list instead of adding in new tags, and that'll prevent you from having duplicates. So, for instance, you might have chair, chairs, armchair, whatever the case may be. You can then narrow it down to just the one tag that you want to use. Now the same thing happens if you're using the browser clipper. Again, there's a tag field, so if you click into the tag field, you'll see your full list of tags, and you'll be able to click on the specific tag that you want to add to this particular product. And of course, you can add new tags if you want. So as you're tagging products and you're adding them to your personal library, the next thing that you can do is, in your personal library, you're going to see the option to sort by tags. And if I click on this, it's again going to show me the list of tags that I've created for my library. But down at the bottom, I also have the option to manage tags. So if you've been using the tagging feature for a while now, and maybe you just have a lot of tags in there that you don't need anymore, or you want to start merging tags together so that any kind of duplicates you have are removed and you've kind of narrowed it down to the select list that you want, you'll be able to do that here. So for instance, if you had tags that you wanted to remove, you could just click on the checkbox next to the tag and you can hit the delete key. And also, if you have tags that are doubling up, like for instance, I've got sectional and sectionals here. So I've got products underneath both of these tags, and if I don't want both of them and I just want one, I can select the checkboxes next to both of these tags, and I can merge the tags into one. When I do that, it's going to give me the option to set the name for the tag that I want to keep. So instead of sectionals, I'm going to go ahead and keep sectional, and I'm going to go ahead and save this. And that's going to merge all the products under one tag for sectional. Now, when I do this and I get my categories all organized within here, the next thing I can do is I can go into my projects, and if I go directly into one of my design boards here, we'll just open up this project. I'm just going to edit this design. Now, if I go over to my personal library over here, instead of using the keyword search right here, I'm going to use my tag feature. So there's a tag filter right here, and if I wanted to look at all of the chairs that I have added to my personal library, I can just select the chair tag here, and it's going to bring up all of the chairs that I've added to my library. Then I'll be able to pull any of these out and add them to my design board. Sorry about that. But definitely give this new tag feature a try, because it's going to make it really quick and easy for you to just completely organize your personal library into the set categories that you want. And then you'll be able to search for those categories by tag within here. So it's going to narrow it down to all of the products that you want within that particular collection, and you can start dragging those onto your design boards. And again, if you use the tagging feature within your personal library, it's going to give you the opportunity to just clean up your personal library, get rid of any tags that you don't need to have anymore, get rid of any duplicates, and narrow it down to those key buckets that you're going to be using over and over again. So have a look at it, and as always, let us know what you think. We always want to hear from you.